you guys doing?
We showed our teeth.
But we need more of the spending money.
Can't we just have a couple of your teeth, Mama?
We can pay you back in hair and toenails.
Doing business with a creep has turned you into creeps.
We're not creeps.
Look at yourselves.
Fresh.
Okay, I can't deal with a house of creeps. We're getting your teeth back. This is it. Her lair.
Ooh, such a charming atmosphere.
We simply must get the name of her decorator.
Hey, creeps. Let's just find your teeth and get out of here.
Oh, this one's still wet.
Don't I look glamorous? Look at that winning smile.
Mr. Tooth, would you like some tea? Oh, yes, thank you.
Focus!
Oh! Visitors! Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta.
Not the lady.
We're the Teen Titans.
No need for introductions. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. We met while you were sleeping. Yes, I wiggled my fingers under all of your pillows to extract the pearly treasures held under them. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. All except you, Raven. You never gave me your precious teeth. It made me covet them even more. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta.
I'd never sell my teeth to some creep. I don't even know what you do with them.
Isn't it obvious?
Jewelry?
Disgusting.
Tooth replacements?
No need. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta.
Do you dress them up and play with them like dolls?
I am not a monster. I do what any normal person would do with teeth. I eat them. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta.
I knew you were a creep. Just give us our teeth back.
Oh, I paid good money for those teeth. I might be willing to trade them for a set that has been missing from my collection. Da-da-da-da-da.
No way.
How about a game then? I win, I get your pearly whites. You win, your friends get theirs back.